In a haste incident in Kendrapada district, 3 armed dacoits struck a house in Kolasapur village last night, looting gold and valuables worth around 2 lakh rupees. The victims, family of Balaram Sahu, were allegedly threatened at gunpoint and with knives, leaving them terrified. According to police sources, the dacoits forced the family members into a corner, warning them not to raise an alarm. They took gold ornaments, other valuables, and cash of about 3,000 rupees before fleeing the scene. Disturbingly, the criminals also threatened the family with extreme consequences if they reported the crime. Following a complaint, the local police at Aul have registered a case and started an investigation. Authorities have not yet commented further on the progress of the inquiry. The incident has raised serious concerns about rural safety in Kendrapada, highlighting the vulnerability of households in remote areas to armed robberies. Residents are now calling for increased vigilance and stronger policing to prevent such brazen attacks.
युवक आसी घर भितर पशि मो देहरे बंधुक आ मो बेकरे छुरी नगई मत कहले कण चुप किन बस पार्टी करू तो काटिकी आ गुली कर उड़े देमु मिनिमम सुनार दाम तो ऐसा 2 लाख भलिया ऊर्ध्व पछ कम होबो ना आ टंका 3000 जाई तापर मते भी धमकैले कहले जदी कार की जणेबू आसी मु तो काटिकी घर घर कर टिके टिके काटी खबाड़ दे तो घर पूरा बम मारी